Hi everyone, my name is Kevin. I'm out here with Andrew and Sam with the Conservancy for Cuyahoga Valley National Park, and we're about to take a hike on the Furnace Run Trail, which is a 2-mile loop down here at the Everett Road Covered Bridge, part of Cuyahoga Valley National Park. It's a great time of year to experience the Furnace Run Trail and this part of the park. The wildflowers are in bloom right now. Even after a late spring snow, they're still out, and it's really a gorgeous time of year. Could be a little muddy, so make sure you wear your closed-toed, sturdy shoes or a hiking shoe when you're going out on these trails, and stay in the middle of the trail if it's muddy, and come along with us and experience it. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Andrew, the Volunteer Program Manager for the Conservancy for Cuyahoga Valley National Park. We are here at the Everett Covered Bridge off of Furnace Run, visiting one of our previous native tree planting sites. Through our volunteer efforts, we focus on habitat restoration in the spring. We had volunteers come through this area removing invasive plants like garlic, mustard, multiflora rose, lots of seasonal non-native invasives. And then through our volunteer efforts, we come through and plant native trees. As you can see, lots of them are flourishing while still protected by our deer tubes. This was a previously disturbed site, but through our volunteer efforts, we hope to restore it to its historical glory.
Hey everyone, Kevin here. We're out enjoying our hike on the Furnace Run Trail Loop. It's a gorgeous day. And as we're hiking, I wanted to share one of my favorite trees that I see on this trail, which is the sycamore tree. It's really a recognizable tree. It's easy to identify throughout the seasons, even without looking at the leaves, because it has this splotchy, almost white and discolored nature of the bark. It's because as it grows, the bark actually peels off. It really likes wet soil. It's a water-loving tree, so it's usually found alongside of creeks, streams, rivers. In this case, it's only about 20 feet or so away from Furnace Run. You can actually spot tons of sycamore trees alongside Riverview Road as you drive through the heart of the park alongside the Cuyahoga River. So one other cool thing about the sycamore tree is they have these really dense, spiky, but fluffy seed pods that mature up on the tree, up on the branches, and then they fall usually in winter or even early spring. These is an example. They have hundreds of little seeds in them, and you could usually spot little tiny flecks of the seed pod if you're walking along Furnace Run or other creeks that have sycamore trees near them. So it's a really cool way that they disperse their seeds. right, well, that concludes our hike here at the Furnace Run Trail Loop down here at Everett Road Covered Bridge. I hope you all enjoyed the wildflowers, enjoyed joining us for this hike. You can find out some more information on this hike and other hikes if you go to our website at 4cvnp.org. We hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.